So guys, we have the Logitech Crayon, which is a digital pencil and an alternative to an Apple Pencil. This is priced at Rs 5,999 and is available in Amazon. I will leave the link in the description box below if you want to check it out. In the front, you can see the product image and the branding. Also, it says that it works with iPad Pro, Air Mini and the other version of iPad. Basically, all models after 2018. On the side, you can see there are the functions like you can take notes, you can sign documents, you can sketch and draw, and it's on the go work. And in the back side, you can basically see the product info and the pricing and various other information on the back. Okay, so let's go in and see what's inside. So here you will see the pencil and the documentation, and the document says about the device and its various functions like the power button, the charging port, the tip cover, etc. as you can see here. On the other side, it talks about the product setup with your iPad and then the usage of it. And on the front, there are some graphics as you can see here, and it's mentioned here the fun starts here. So all in all, this is what you get inside the box. It's a very simple packaging as you can see here. You can see the pen and the documentation is what you can find inside the box. Now, as you can see the pencil, the digital pencil has an attractive orange color which is quite catchy. And you can also see the power on and off button on the top. The tip of the pencil is white in color, and in the top of the pencil basically you can see the on and off switch and the charging port to connect your Apple Lightning cable, and also a small LED indicator. The design is not circular, and the benefit of that is that it won't fall or roll down from your table. This will help you in keeping the pencil intact at one place. The pencil is quite light and you will get a good grip too, and it feels very handy. Well guys, the pairing of the device is quite simple. You just need to turn on the Bluetooth in your iPad and switch on the pencil. It gets paired automatically, and you can use this with various other multiple devices. And this happens automatically without pairing again and again with multiple devices. So this is quite a smart feature in fact. Now the pencil I have used for drawing, writing and highlighting too. The writing works absolutely fine, but as this is not a pressure sensitive in comparison to Apple Pencil, so drawing could not be that fun. For designers or creators, people who uses as a draw function will not enjoy this. Rather, the pencil is good for highlighting, pointer while reading. It is good for signature and also for drawing. The best part of this is that you can take notes with this pencil. And the notes that you take with this pencil, the iPad will recognize this automatically and you can save it. So guys, all in all, the pencil solves the purpose, and if you are looking for an alternative to an Apple Pencil which is costly, then go for this, which will cost you around 5,999 rupees. But mind it, this is not a perfect for designers but good for students and office goers. So I hope you liked the video, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. My name is Soham and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you.